Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome to DWBIADDA tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the unit testing. So unit testing is the testing which we do through the code, not with the actual QA. QA means quality assurance. Quality assurance means that you make sure that code is running fine through code. So I have created a new project, and in this project we got 4 pages: home, user, about, and contact. So these are just the sample pages. These pages will be having few text boxes or headings. These headings we will check through the code whether they exist or not, and we will check the output of these pages are coming correct. So through code, the advantage is this, that you can write numerous test cases, whatever you think, whatever you find. With these numerous test cases, you can make sure that each and every test has been done. So we need certain modules to start the unit testing. First few modules are the base modules, and then uh, the way we require these modules, we can install them. The first module is Jasmine, Karma, and they are available on npm node package manager website. So you just need to go on to next new tab, and in Google you just search for npm Jasmine. Jasmine is the first module we installed for unit testing, and you can see Jasmine-npm will be the first search result by the Google. You click on the link. There is another module which is Jasmine Karma Jasmine, that needs to be installed as well. So this can also be searched in Google, and once these Karma Jasmine, for the complete list of the modules required in unit testing, you can see this package.json. This Jasmine code, Jasmine Karma, CLI, converge. There are 6-7 types of module which are needed. So here is the list from where you can just go to the Google and search for this module and install them. And you can note down this, and if you can match your package.json, if any of the module is missing, then you can install them through Google. So this is our spec.ts file, and this is the unit testing for home. So first we have imported testbed and async from the Google Angular core testing. And we have also imported home component into the spec.ts file. So everything which we are going to write any test case comes under describe function. This home component, we initialize this home component within describe, because we are going to implement the unit testing on it, and we use this we imported this test bed, and we will use this test bed within this describe function. So first curly brace is this, and last curly brace is at line 21. So these are the all every test which is we are going to write, we will write within the 2 curly braces of the describe function. And through test bed we are configuring testing module, and in which we are declaring home component, and then we are compiling the component. So this whole is the way of starting any unit testing file, and in declaration we also include some of the other tests if we are going to do some backend service unit testing. So this is our first test case, and it starts with it. and it is saying should have a text home page. So in this test case, what we are going to test that the should have a text home page. So we will check that the home component should have this text home page into the app.text place. So what we have done, test dot create component, and we have created the we have added the home component in it, and we have declared a const fixture, and then we are using component instance of that fixture into the constant app. And then after this, we are expecting app.text is equal to the home page. So we are expecting this test to check the app.text should be equal to whatever this name we have given within the home page. So in this first test, I'll show you that in home.component.ts how we have configured this text home page. So let's go to that file, home.component.ts. Here we have declared a variable text, and we have given the value homepage string to this variable. And in HTML file, in a div, we are rendering this variable through Angular way. So once we run this test, it will check that this home page string is existing on the page or not. So we have written here that component instance app host dot text means text variable is equal to this string home page. So let's run this test through the command prompt. So we'll open the command prompt, and on the command prompt we will write ng test. We have stopped the project which was running, and we have wrote ng test and hit enter. It will take some time to execute, and it will open up a browser in which it will show the list of tests we have configured in this spec.ts files or in this project. So now it will load the Google Chrome browser, and because the compiling is very fast, you might not notice, but it will run each and every test one by one. So you can see the browser has been opened up. So it is using very different port number, localhost 9876. The year might be different. This is because maybe we are running 3000, 3001 or 888 port number for different projects. So in this, so now you can see that all of the tests has been finished. Now I have reloaded this page just to show you. You will see quickly all of the tests one by one. As you see, there are few tests which went very quickly. So there it is saying 13 specs. 13 specs mean 13 tests has been passed, 0 failure. It means how many tests I have wrote, like about 10 to 15 tests in it, maybe 13, and then all of them has been passed. None of them has been failed. So I have clicked on a specific test and it ran. Just one test ran. So it is saying one test has been passed. So on whichever test you want to check, you just click on it, that test, and that sole single test will run. So this is how we perform unit testing on Angular, any of the Angular project. Stay tuned and thank you.